Hello, Pinocho. How are you today? Fine? Good. It's great to hear that. Today I have a song for you. A song? Una canción. Do you remember the numbers? Numbers from 1 to 10? Okay, let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, Pinocho. You remember the numbers very well. But this song is not only about numbers. It's about potatoes. Do you know what a potato is? Potato? Look at the picture. Those are potatoes. Son papas. So in this song, we are going to count potatoes. 1 potato, 2 potato. Ready to start? Okay. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potatoes, 4. Can you see? How many potatoes are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's sing again. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. Good. What number comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Very good, Pinocho. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 potatoes. Ready? 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Again. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. Can you see? Can you count 7 potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 7 potatoes. And what number comes after 7? It's number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you count 10 potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The last part of the song. 8 potatoes, 9 potatoes. Now we've got all 10. Now ready to sing the song again from number 1 to 10. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. Very good. 1 potato, 2 potatoes, 3 potatoes, 4. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potatoes more. 8 potatoes, 9 potatoes. Now we've got all 10. Very good, excellent. Now let's put our potatoes back and count them up again. Pueden volver el video al principio y empezar a contar las papas de nuevo. Tengo una propuesta para hacerles. En casa pueden conseguir una bolsa, puede ser de plástico o de tela, y pueden conseguir también 10 objetos redondos que simulen ser papas. O el que tiene 10 papas puede usar 10 papas en casa. y las ponemos adentro y contamos hasta 10 y las sacamos y volvemos a contar hasta 10. Y el que tiene ganas le pide a los papás que los filmen o le saquen una foto contando potatoes, counting potatoes. Can you do it? Les dejo una canción, pero es más fácil que lo que hicimos hoy porque en la canción cuentan hasta 7. Only 7 potatoes. Pero como ustedes ya son Pinocho, les hago cantar la canción hasta 10. ¿Ok? Well, Pinocho, bye bye. See you later, alligator. Bye bye bye, butterfly.